Got Saronster overtaking Urban Grizzly. He's hitting wheelies on Urban Grizzly now. Come on, that's control. You're doing it with no brake? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new. Back with another video for you. And today, we got a banger. And that is the reason why. The electric XP 3000 watts made it down to LA Eastgate. We got my boy Urban Grizzly. Check out the vlog that we did. Banger content. And yeah, this one's about to be a banger as well. So hit that like button. Stay tuned. If you guys can make it to a ride, definitely come down. It's in downtown Los Angeles. Follow the group on Facebook. It's LA Eastgate. All right, get into the joint. Back at LA Eastgate, we're on the electric XP. We have two dilemmas, okay? One is our brakes don't work that good, and there's a lot of hilly parts, a lot of downhills, so that's gonna be quite scary. And then two, we only have slime in our rear tire, so if we do catch a flat, it's gonna be a wrap. But hopefully none of those vibes are entering this video. Positive vibes only. About to have a good ride. We got a whole bunch of Surons, whole bunch of Onyxes, a lot of high power machines, okay? If you got a stock bike, I definitely wouldn't even show up to the party, okay? Now, if you got a modded bike, you probably could keep up with that joint. I'm gonna show you how it's done. And there go Urban Grizzly, my boy, the king of the no-handed 50-mile-per-hour. Check out the bike, the beauty. Do you have a name for your bike? No? I'm putting you on the spot.
It's just a Sleeper ZX, but not a real name.
Oh, Sleeper ZX, there it is. He got the Sleeper XP, and now he got the Sleeper ZX.
Yeah, y'all see the Sleeper XP?
You see it. Hopefully today we can practice some wheelies. You know, we're not a pro. We're not Saronster. But yeah, hopefully we can get some wheelies in. Speaking of Saronster, I'm not gonna show his face, but check the man, the myth, and the legend out. And there he is on the mini moto. Look at him. That guy is just too cool. Anything he does is cool. All right, here goes Elysian Park. This is like the dopest part of the ride to me. It's like super hilly, uphill and downhill, super windy roads. Like, you got to be experienced rider to tackle this one. Let's go. Brakes are feeling good. Taking the inner corner on Urban Grizzly. Oh, he overtakes me. Now also, we don't know the exact range of this bike, and I don't know how long this ride is, so we are gonna have to be conservative sometimes. We can't just go full blast the whole ride and then have to pedal back, you know? Don't wanna be looking like an idiot on our second trip to LA Eastgate. So, we're gonna play it safe, but we will get out. Best believe, that's what we do over here. Like on this downhill part right here, watch this. Getting out. Look at that. What is that, Dualtron? Jesus. That thing probably goes like 70 miles per hour. Look at this guy doing one-legged handstands. Look at that. Come on, that's skill. Come on. That's next level riding right there. I like it, I like it. Uh-oh, hold on. What's up? I'm gonna keep all this part in even though I'm not talking because this ride is just super bomb. So yeah, you guys can get a feel like you actually here with me. Hitting them corners like this, boom, putting the knee out. Putting the knee out like this. Oh! Getting urban grizzly again, because that's what we do. He's like, dude, you gonna waste all your freaking battery trying to race me. You ain't gonna have nothing by the end of the ride. This is just so dope, man. Oh my God. And even if you guys don't live in California, I'm sure there's group rides wherever you live. Go on Facebook, type in group rides, just join e-bike groups, all right? You guys need to get out, all right? It's time to get out of the house and have some freaking fun. And that's what your boy is freaking doing. Look at the freaking view on this freaking ride. I'm over here about to crash. This is amazing. Guys, just look at the freaking view. The type of vibes we're bringing to the table. Check it out. We're on top of a freaking mountain, guys. This is ridiculous. We got downtown LA over there, and we got whatever this part of LA is over here. Like, man, dude, this is just amazing, dude. This is a fully customized Onyx right here. This looks nothing like an Onyx, dude. This is crazy. Look at the detail. That's freaking crazy. This is like fully custom, dog. Look at the paint job. Look at the freaking battery box mount. Look at the freaking sharks on the back. That's freaking crazy. I like what I see. You said what?
It don't even look like Onyx no more.
It doesn't. It looks like a completely different bike. Back at it. Make sure the camera view is right. Last video, the camera view was horrible. It looked like I was just gliding. Now you guys can actually see the handlebars, so should be a better experience for you guys. So now we're continuing the ride. We are still at Elysian Park, going downhill now. This is like the high speed section. This is the part where a lot of people can get messed up if you don't know what you're doing. Or if you're playing stupid, like this guy. No, I'm just playing. That's pretty tight. But yeah, watch this though. This is about to be sick. Also, I don't have much traction on my rear tire, so if I slip out, it is what it is. You know, I knew before coming here that I should have probably changed my tire. You know, you do what you can at the end of the day. We got Saronster overtaking Urban Grizzly on the mini moto. He's hitting wheelies on Urban Grizzly now. Oh, he's stunning. He's stunning. Urban Grizzly almost crashed. I caught it on camera. You guys can see, but every turn I hit, I stick my knee out, thinking that I'm a professional like sport bike rider, guy. Feels great. Like I feel like I look dope. I probably look stupid as hell, but you know, it is what it is. Had to look cool for the camera, you know. You never know where David Brand New might be posted. Never catch me lacking. I don't see how people ride these. Shout out to freaking Randy Rides, who just bought an electric unicycle. Look at how wobbly the joint is. Look at him. Let's just focus in on his legs. Watch. Yeah, I don't know about that one. I don't know. Look, he hit the turn though. Yeah, shout out to all you guys out there. You guys are risking your lives and not even making YouTube videos out of it. You see how I just overtook that car so easy? It's freaking crazy. We have a leisurely rider. I don't think she's a part of the group. I mean, that would be dope if she is. I doubt it. She's moving though. She might be. All right, we got to pedal a little bit because this is a steep hill and I don't want to burn out the freaking battery and the motor. But it's cool. We're making it. If this guy's a part of the group, then we're still good. Okay? We are in the back though. All right, here we go. Hill bombing, running through stop signs, because that's what we do. Leave a comment, please. Oh, this is a steep hill, Jesus. Brakes definitely have to work going on this hill. Ooh, if my brakes went out, that would have been bad. Jesus. High speeds, let's see. 36. All right, battery's dropping. I saw 36. It's like 35, 36. This is a slight incline though. Hey, there it is. There it is. Hit it for the camera, let's go.
I got no brake.
Ah, you doing it with no brake? Oh my, look, no brake wheelie, here you go. No brakes wheelie, look, no rear brake. Come on, that's control. Hey, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it. Ooh, that's power. Hey, you crazy for that. Yeah. Yeah. He has no rear brake. That's crazy. Nice. Yeah, he's clean. He's clean. I really wish I could do a wheelie, man. I think that would just make me look so much cooler. I probably would gain like 10,000 subscribers off rip just from doing that. 15-mile-per-hour speed limit, by the way. If somebody opened their door, I'm done. Done. Oh my God, look at these turns. This is a dream. Oh my goodness. Overtaking Surons, overtaking Dualtrons. Like, part of me is like scared because I can easily just go off the side of this cliff, right? But at the same time, this is like the funnest thing I've probably ever done in my life. Like, sometimes you just gotta just do it, you know? Even if you might die. Yeah, battery's dropping. Battery's dropping. Hopefully we're towards the end of this freaking ride. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it. Ah. Next video, David brand new rides e-bike with no power in downtown LA. Gets robbed. I'm trying to practice wheelies after watching your video, so I threw the pegs on there to make it easier.
Yeah, good idea.
So we'll see. You got any advice?
It just takes time to
Dude, it's so scary. It's just scary.
You gotta get over your fear.
Yeah.
Send it.
All right, let's go. It's your boy, Saronster, the king of wheelies. There he is, guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Too easy. Too easy. That's freaking crazy, man. I don't understand it. You've just been wheeling all your life before e-bikes and stuff?
I'm going on about 2 years now.
Yeah?
Still pretty new on it.
Yeah. That's crazy though. Yeah.
It's just like all I do.
Yeah, man.
It's not been a long time, but I put a lot of hours in.
Yeah, I feel you. So I just dropped my phone trying to pedal up a freaking hill. Now I have to catch the team. Damn. So stupid. All right, battery level is at 3. Oh, 2. I'm scared. Guys, wait up. Downhill section, let's see how fast we can go. 36, 37, 38, I'm scared, 39, 40, and that's the fastest we're gonna freaking go. Oh, you know what we should have did? Dang, we should have checked the miles before we left to see how many total miles we did on this bike. Because I've never actually did a range test on this bike, so I don't know, you know, what's the max range we can get, and that would have been freaking perfect. So next time we'll definitely do that. All right, so long story short, ended up getting to the back of the group again, once again. And the groups end up splitting off into multiple subsections, right? Well, my group didn't know where they were going and ended up getting lost. So I decided to end the ride there, you know? At the end of the day, your boy had fun. This was an amazing day, but we are limited on battery and I don't have time to be riding around aimlessly. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it a day here. If you guys enjoyed this video, which I know you did, hit that like button one time for your boy. All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you know you don't want to miss out on any of these bangers. And until the next video, deuces like that.